Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix USB ports not working on your Windows 11 computer. This issue is usually pretty easy to fix, and one of the first things you should always do is make sure Windows is fully updated, since outdated software can sometimes cause problems with hardware and drivers. So first, open the Start menu and search for Settings. Open it, then from the left side scroll down and click on Windows Update. Now click on Check for updates and make sure your computer is running the latest version of Windows. Once the updates are installed, you can close the Settings window. Next, open the Start menu again and search for Control Panel. Open it and make sure View by is set to large icons. Now click on Power Options. Beside your currently selected power plan, click on Change Plan Settings, then select Change Advanced Power Settings. Inside this list, expand USB Settings, then expand USB Selective Suspend Setting. Make sure both options are set to Disabled. After that, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Now let's reinstall the USB drivers. Open the Start menu again and search for Device Manager. Once it opens, scroll down and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right-click on USB Root Hub and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the available driver from the list and click Next. Windows will reinstall the latest USB driver automatically. After that, right-click on USB Root Hub again and select Properties. Go to the Power Management tab and uncheck the option. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, then click OK. You should repeat the same steps for the other USB Root Hub devices listed there as well. Once done, close all the windows. If your USB ports are still not working, there's one more thing we can try. Open the Start menu, search for CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Inside the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. sfc/scano. This scan will check all your important Windows system files and automatically repair any corrupted files it finds. The process may take several minutes, so wait until it reaches 100%. Once the scan is complete, restart your computer and your USB port should start working again. If you're still having issues, feel free to leave a comment and I'll try my best to help you out.